Welcome to Nature's Glory Cabin Off-Road. In this particular episode, we are doing a trail service announcements for Clifton Ridge Road and Daniel Boone Backcountry Byway. This was recorded on April the 11th, the event day for this past General Bowen Memorial Ride. And what we got here is there's been some trail maintenance going on with Clifton Ridge Road. So we're going to pull off of Kendrick Ridge Road, I think it's 1242, and we're pulling down, the gravel was always here before. But when we get right down here to the beginning or end of trail, depending on which way you come, this had a lot of ruts in it, and a lot of folks had trouble with ground clearance, 33-inch tire problems and stuff through here. Now they have bulldozed this, or some kind of equipment came through here, smoothed it out, and dumped a bunch of gravel on it. So it's nice and smooth now. And it didn't stop here. As we go on down through here, it also, there was a rock right here at the end where you entered this spot. There was a rock here. I think it got pushed off to the side. I think I saw it down here. It's off to the side now. It's no longer in the trail. There it is right there on the right. It was more in the trail. And we're still got gravel down here. I don't know if anybody remembered this or not. There was a tree down here that had fallen, and it's got pushed off. You see, we've got grading going on here still. So it's been improved upon. Now, we haven't had a rain since this happened. I don't know what's going to happen with this loose dirt once the rain hits. I guess we'll find out. A little further down here, we did actually have some what we call muddy ruts. They had some rock and all, had a rock base in them as well. Right along in here is where there was a little drop off to the side, and right up here is where the tree was. And there's some logs here they've shoved out of the way. They were actually kind of close to the side. It actually did make it a lot nicer. Again, we don't know what's going to look like when the rains hit, and see what it's going to do. Now, once we pass this section right here, this is you can see we got a little mud here. This is where we had some ruts. All of this has been graded out. There's a tree there that looks like somebody finally cut some of it back. It was hanging a little further down. But right around this corner here started quite a few ruts. Most people got through these, even on 33-inch tires without traction devices. They were down to the rocks in a few places. They weren't real bad, but again, they've already been bulldozed out. The thing to watch out for down here at the bottom when we get here, there's a culvert that has been giving us a little trouble for a while. It had a little bit of a drop off. We all got over it pretty good. They've graded up over it and filled that in real nicely now. As you can see here, it's just a little muddy, and it's been graded, and it's fairly level. And looking up there ahead of us a little bit, you can see that hump, and that's where the culvert is. It's been filled in pretty nicely. We'll see how it holds up. And just past the culvert, we used to have a real big, deep rut. It was one-sided. It had one side of it was, gosh, 3 or 4 feet, and made it very difficult for a lot of folks to get through it. As you can see in front of me here now, that is completely gone. That has been graded through. Now, this is where it ends. This is where all the trail maintenance ends. All the hills and everything else are still the same. Hope everybody's enjoyed this. Like, share, subscribe, comment. We appreciate you. Thanks for watching.